Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2024, our system has categorized Palantir as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 160.72% since we first suggested purchasing Palantir 85 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.89% per day since it was rated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. With the latest developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could shift in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong upward short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. For any potential pullback, there will now be support at the level of $73.04, which may present a second opportunity to capitalize on this surge. According to fan theory, $90.55 will be the next possible peak level, representing a resistance that may not be overcome on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 111.99% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 54.20% to 102.83%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a 217.71% change over the next year, with a possible return between 54.60% and 128.80%. This translates to a price range from $118.02 to $174.67 after a year. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline. On Friday, Palantir's stock price gained an impressive 6.22%. The Palantir stock price increased by 6.22% on the last trading day Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, rising from $71.87 to $76.34. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.28%, with a day low of $72.28 and a day high of $76.82. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 24.41% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 25 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 90 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.88 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $76.82, and the lowest price was $15.66. Currently, the price is 0.62% or 48 cents below the 52-week high of $76.82, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies, recognized by its stock symbol PLTR, is making notable strides in the market. Shares have surged an impressive 1,100% from their recent lows and recently reached an all-time high following a new partnership with Booz Allen Hamilton. This collaboration aims to enhance United States defense mission capabilities, highlighting Palantir's robust position in the defense technology sector. The partnership is anticipated to drive growth and further strengthen Palantir's reputation, potentially impacting stock valuations positively in both the short and long term. Despite this remarkable increase, some analysts caution that the stock's current valuation may be excessively optimistic, which could lead to volatility. Investor groups are already shifting their focus, with some billionaires diversifying into other high-performing stocks. Nevertheless, the concerted effort to integrate artificial intelligence into business practices positions Palantir advantageously within the software sector as technology adoption accelerates. As Palantir continues to expand its operations, particularly in sectors that rely on data engineering and artificial intelligence, the potential for long-term growth remains strong. However, market sentiment could fluctuate in response to critiques of its high valuation, making careful assessment essential for investors navigating this dynamic landscape. The developments today not only reflect Palantir's growing market presence, but also suggest a strategic future that investors may want to observe closely. Analyst ratings. On the 25th of November, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned PLTR an outperform rating along with a hold recommendation. On the 17th of October, 2024, RBC Capital reported a rating of underperform for PLTR, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On the same day, the 17th of October, 2024, Wedbush also rated PLTR with a buy and provided a hold recommendation. On the 27th of September, 2024, Wedbush issued a positive rating for PLTR, alongside a hold action. On the 26th of September, 2024, RBC Capital again rated PLTR as underperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Palantir stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also classified as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have designated the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be provided by the levels at $69.79 and $56.45. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has risen by 84.22%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, there have also been some negative signals, which may affect short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, recorded 24 days ago. Bollinger Bands, buy signal, noted 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, observed 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we find short moving average, buy signal, identified 24 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, recognized 131 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, detected 119 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $65.81 and $61.25. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this scenario, Palantir finds support just below today's level at $65.81. If this support is broken, the next levels from accumulated volume will be at $61.25 and $60.28. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.54 between its high and low, representing 6.28%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 5.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of February, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates sit at 11 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $65.81. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 2nd of December, 2024, Moore Alexander D. executed an insider sale of 17,431 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Moore Alexander D. also conducted an insider sale of 2,569 shares of Class A common stock. On the 3rd of December, 2024, Sankarsam made an insider purchase of 5,250,000 shares of Class B common stock. On that day, Sankarsam also conducted an insider purchase of 5,250,000 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 3rd of December, 2024, Sankarsam executed an insider sale of 5,250,000 shares of Class B common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 14.889. In total, insiders purchased 32,047,826 shares and sold 43,298,407 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $73.59, reflecting a decline of 3.6%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. A buy signal has been triggered from a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir displays several positive indicators. However, we believe these signals are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is best regarded as a hold candidate, meaning one should either maintain their position or accumulate more shares while observing future developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis of this stock since our last evaluation from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems conclude that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of December, we anticipate that Palantir will open down by $1.19, starting trading at $75.15. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.